Just start it now, Terry. It doesn't matter.
It's not 2 seconds long.
Yeah. There's 2 airbags.
What the hell, everybody got quiet?
Jeff's been doing the clown now.
He's looking at you, looking at me, looking at you.
You gotta put a helmet on now.
I would.
Newcomers.
You've been behind the vehicle. What do you gotta worry about?
Not sure who they are, but they're here.
The first time we did it? Yeah, believe me.
So what you're trying to say is
we
that
blew a laptop.
Popcorn. Yeah. I was sitting over here and I got shot with popcorn. Just in case you gotta move.
What color was it?
Watch what's going on here, buddy. Watch
White.
the microwave.
Black and white?
Here.
No. Black and green.
Check. Black and green?
Yeah, check.
That's on back here.
Yeah, now you're gonna explode because it's wrong.
I'm ready to duck.
No ducks!
I have room to fall backwards. Oh my
I
god.
don't know
Yes.
about this.
Yeah, we're ready.
Holy crap!
That's one fucked up microwave.
Turns out the microwave's tougher than the car.
Yeah, no shit.